Nous, which means we, is used for a group including yourself. So when you're talking about those people with me, we went to.
Mhm.
So basically, you know what it means.
Mhm.
It's nous. For vous is used for formal and for the plural of them. Like not like you know what I mean?
Mhm.
Like when you're talking about other people, not including
Mhm.
you, which
Mhm.
means yeah, plural form. It could mean that it's the formal form of tu, you know,
Mhm.
or it
Yeah.
could mean that it's a plural. It's used for respect or when addressing multiple people.
Mhm.
Il, basically both of these are they, but this one is in French is masculine, so it's a
Mhm.
mixed group. So used for in French, it's used for groups with at least one male. So
Mhm.
if you have a bunch of women with one male, it's gonna be il.
Okay.
So the other one is elle, they, feminine, used for group of only female. So as long as you have only female, it's elle. Okay. Let's
Okay.
give some examples of this so that you have them over with you. Okay, so for nous, we went for a ride. No, we went for a picnic, maybe, yeah,
Mhm.
in the park. So I'm going to say nous sommes allés, and I will use passé composé, which is another verb,
Mhm.
sorry, tense of the verb. Uh, nous sommes allés au parc. You see how it's not the same in French. It's kind of the inverse of English. Nous
Mhm.
sommes allés parc pour faire un pique-nique, to do a picnic. Well, in picnic, I'm not sure about the correct. Oh yeah, sorry, it's not this way.
Mhm.
Picnic. I think it's this way.
It's picnic in French. I don't.
Sorry?
I thought it was in English. In French, I was like, I don't know the spellings.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
know. Picnic and yeah, I think yeah, I got it right. Yeah. Yeah, it's the way it's written in French, it's this way.
Okay.
Picnic. I'm trying to give you example because I really want you to enrich your vocabulary as
Mhm.
much as possible.
Yep.
So, on va aller avec you were supposed suppose takes two piece or one, yeah, two piece, supposed to clean the house today.
Mhm.
You guys, well, we're gonna go with plurals, the house
Mhm.
today. Vous étiez, so vous étiez, and
Mhm.
look at it, supposé, which is very close,
Mhm.
faire le ménage, non, attends, clean, nettoyer la maison aujourd'hui.
Mhm.
So it's really translated. It's the
Mhm.
same way.
Oh yeah.
Aujourd'hui. So that gives you like an idea how we say that. To clean
Mhm.
is nettoyer in French.
Mhm.
Il, okay, let's go with this one.
Mhm.
La il préfère. Oh, sorry, in English first. They are, they prefer, sorry, to prepare their taxes, maybe
Mhm.
taxes early around January, which I think I do. I haven't done this year.
Even I haven't done it.
We're bad people. Oh my God. No, we're not.
Mhm.
Donc, je vais y aller avec il préfère. And I switch sometimes. You see, I switch between French and English also
Yeah.
because it's better for you. Ils préfèrent préparer leurs impôts. Taxes is impôt in French. Très tôt which is early, ou bien tôt, vers janvier, aux environs de janvier. I prefer aux environs. If you were to translate aux environs, it's going to be, it would mean to around the surroundings or surroundings of, but it doesn't traduce the same, it doesn't translate the same when you see the meaning. Donc, aux environs de janvier. So, supposing it is masculine, okay?
Yep.
Here, I'll just put it into brackets. We suppose they over here is masculine. Because sometimes you could guess it from what comes before. So if I were to say les filles, the girls, it would be elles. But if I were to say les, let's try it, les travailleurs, maybe, travailleurs, the workers, les travailleurs, ou bien, let me try les garçons, maybe, let's try les garçons, au travail, sont responsables, so they are very responsible. I don't know if we say that in English. Sont très responsables. Okay.
We do.
It does mean, let me translate it. The boys at work, not really boys, but men at work, are very responsible. Responsible. Do we say it like that?
Yep.
Okay. So responsable is responsible. It's just take an A and then an A over here. Responsable. So you could guess that it's going to be il over here.
Yep.
Same thing over here. Let's say the girls are going out. They have done their hair and nails. Okay. And I don't know if I'm gonna put their hairs or because each one has a hair. Okay, let's leave it like that.
Okay.
Okay, so if I come here, you always guess it from what comes before. Les filles sont de sortie, are going out, vont sortir. Elles ont fait leurs cheveux et leurs ongles. Okay?
Yep.
That would be my example for this one.
Okay.
So take it, please. I want you to have this.
Okay.
So first, do you have any questions?
No.
No, not for now. Okay.
Not for now, yeah.
So we have seen singular, we have seen this part is plural. Did you indicate next to them that the other one
Yeah.
was singular? Okay, good, perfect. So let's remove all examples and go into the next one. The next step is, sorry. So, special case of all. So, general one, on doit travailler, one must work, for example. Informal, sorry?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So, informal oui, so on va au cinéma, we're going to the cinema. It often replaces nous in spoken French. So when you're talking to friends, when you're telling them about something you guys have done or something like that, you could use on because it's informal, basically. You are telling them about it. As I said before, you never use it when writing. You could eventually when you're doing like a greeting card for a birthday or something like that, yes, you could use en, definitely, but it is not for academic, it is not for professional emails, it is not at all for anything outside of having friends or family, talking to them, so writing to them. You could say it also like one must work. See what I did here? The example.
Yep.
On doit travailler. Yeah. You just have to remember that we, in your mind, put it that we don't use it in writing. We don't use it in professional settings. That's all. So I don't have a lot to say about all, to tell you the truth, apart from that. But I would love it if you could take this one, these details of when it's general one, here is the example. When it's informal we, here is the example, and that it often replaces nous in spoken French. I'm sorry that I'm making you write. I just want you to remember it.
Yep, it's fine.
Okay. So differences between tu and vous. Tu is informal, as you know, used with friends, family, children, animals, basically very informal. You could use it, as I said, with your friends. But vous is formal or plural, because I'm putting these because I want you to remember en and tu and vous. You know, the rest
Yeah.
is very easy. It's like the only thing that you can point out maybe is that they takes a form of masculine or feminine in il and l. But apart from that, these are the ones that I want to focus on. So vous is formal or plural, as we said, used with strangers, authority figures, so policemen and other authority figures, and groups of people. So when you're talking, for example, when you are doing a conference, yeah, that's the only, I think that's one of the only things in Quebec, is that when you get on the stage to talk to people, we would use vous definitely as a formal form. I have seen it before that people talked to me in vous, but it's very rare. It's very rare. Some Quebecois people have this formal way of talking, but it's, as I said, very rare back in Quebec. But if you go to France on even the waiter at the restaurant is gonna say, see what I mean? He's not gonna say tu. So yeah, so that's the basics one. So just take this into account. This is informal, right? Yeah. So discussion with friends, family, children. When we're talking about animals, an example of that would be to, yeah, like talking to a dog, basically, you know. Tu viens ici, like you come here. Let me just give you that example. Like when you're gonna like talking about tu t'assois, like assis-toi or assis-toi, you know, assis.
Yeah.
It's like sit down. See, sit down. You sit down. You sit or sit. This one is more like sit. See, so when
Yeah.
you're talking to a dog, for example, yeah, I would use formal. Let's try. When I'm asking someone about the hours, avez-vous l'heure? Do you have the time? Do you have the time to do something? It's do you have the time, like what time is it? What time is it? Yeah, please. So please remember it in French.
Okay.
Do you remember what it is, please, in French?
S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous
Or
plaît.
s'il
Oh,
te
s'il
plaît.
te plaît, yeah.
Yeah.
But because we're using vous, it's gonna be s'il te plaît.
Yeah.
So it's, do you have the time, please? Meaning, let me put it over here. Not the time to do something, but meaning, what time is it, please? So, so I would go like that because you never know who you're talking to in the street.
Yep.
Yeah. Authoritative figures. Yeah, basically that's it. A group of people. Did you guys go to? Did you do something special together this weekend, for example?
Mhm.
Weekend. So, avez-vous? It's gonna be avez-vous fait quelque chose de spécial, which is the same. Spécial here because it shows, yeah, spécial. I think it's E, quelque chose de spécial, yeah. Ce weekend. Ensemble. Okay, wait. Avez-vous quelque chose de, avez-vous quelque spécial ensemble, which means together?
Mhm.
Ensemble ce weekend. So I would say together would be the indicator for me that it's plural. So
Yeah.
same thing, ensemble in French. So yeah, sometimes you're not gonna guess, but from the context you could, but you go with your feelings. So just take this one with the examples.
Okay.
This one goes for animals when you're talking to a dog. For example, this one. Animals. You could say it to children too, to
Mhm.
tell you the truth when they are very young. Yeah. Family, friends. I don't know. Do you want the examples on these ones?
Okay.
You're okay? Okay.
Yep.